"Please forgive us," said Russian biologist Adilia Kotovskaya as she wept and stroked Laika the dog before sending her off into space. The little street dog could never have known the importance of what she was about to do. 60 years ago she became the first living thing ever to orbit the Earth. Sadly, it was only ever to be a one-way trip, with Laika surviving just a few hours and travelling around the world 9 times before a failure in the Soviet spacecraft meant she overheated and died. Laika was found on the streets like all of the dogs in the space program. Bitches were apparently always chosen, as they didn't need to lift their leg to urinate, thus needing less room in the spacecraft. But Laika's martyrdom hasn't been forgotten, her sacrifice paving the way for manned spaceflight.